Hello, this is my baby. It's my baby Rico. It's a male Cape Paris. And this is my Rika. It's a female Cape. So cute. Look at them. Ouch. No, no, no. Stop it. Get out.